welcome back to our final stage of documentation with this simple project plan. The procedures that I've used here, viewers, are the same for any other architectural plan that you may have when you're using Archicad. So let's see how now we can place our drawing in a layout. Layout is like a title block that describes your project, what it is, what it entails, and placing various views in a given layout. So when you're doing the layout, we need to plan our work. We need to place our floor plan, elevations, sections if there is, and other detailed information that we might require, and the paper size that you want to use in the layout. So when using the layout, having done everything plus the roof, now in the navigator here, we are going to come to the layout book. When you see me clicking here, this is called the layout book. The first one was the project map. So this is the layout book. So in the layout book, this there now we put our drawing in a layout. So in the layout book, when you scroll down, you can see here we have masters. So here in the master, you pick an appropriate paper size. We have A4, we have A3, we have A2, we also have A1. So here, let me pick A3 by double clicking on that. So this is our layout. This is now what can describe your project. These ones are editable. When you click, then you double click, then now you can change the text to suit your project. When you click on the project name, you simply double click, and then you type or you edit, or you can add more using the text tool. If there's additional information you'd like to add, just use the text tool, and then you can type it up here or in any other place where you'd like to insert additional information. You can also delete if you don't want like this image here. You just click on it, then you delete, then you can insert your own image of your company. You can also add additional notes. You can also divide them using lines. When you click on the line tool, then you can make it black. So you can also do that using the line tool. So you can divide, or you can add more here. Maybe you want to add another additional information like general notes. Just use the line tool, draw your line, then join it up here, and then now you can subdivide that section, and then use your text tool to add more information in our plan. So that's how we edit layout. So let me have like a two landscape as well. So this is the one I want to place our drawings on. So when you double click on the layout under the layout book, so you can see we have our layout here. So we want to place our plans and elevations or section in this particular layout. So to place the drawing here, to bring your plan here, you right click on the layout, and then we can see here we have place drawing. When you click on place drawing, it will bring you here where now you can place your drawing or various plans. You can see we have ceiling plans, we have structural, we have sections, we have elevations, or even 3D. So let me have with my floor plan, I click on ground floor, then I come here and click place. So when you click place, now you can see this is our plan showing there. So you can click on this viewport so that you can adjust it. When you click on that, it helps you now to adjust that frame. You can simply adjust the frame or click there so that you can adjust your frame. Make sure it does not touch, it does not cut the dimensions off. So I see it's been adjusted. You can also pick the downer part, downer side, then you also adjust also this side. That's how you adjust frames. Make sure you don't cut the dimensions or relevant information regarding that. So this is our plan. So we have put our ground floor plan, then just click out. So you can see we placed our ground floor plan. So I need to add more plans like elevations. So I can right click, place your drawing, because I don't need, I can start with east elevation, click place. You'll find my east elevation placed there. So you can simply right click, place elevation, come back. We have north. Yeah, north also being placed there, or you can move. You can also click place layout drawing. Then I have south elevation. Yeah, you can click and then you simply drag and place it where it's appropriate. That's our south elevation. You can see showing like that, plus the roof. And then the last one, we can also have, when you right click, place a drawing, and then now we have our west elevation. Just click, then you click place. So you can see we have our elevations shown there. You can arrange them nicely. So that's there. Or this one I can put if it can fit in there, which it fits. Yeah. Then I also have another elevation placed there. That's my north elevation, and also south elevation. So you can see you have placed your plans and elevations there. I can also decide to add another drawing. Maybe if there was a section, you can see we have section here. Simply click and add place. Yeah, you see you've added another view here. This is my section. Simply command adjust and place it there by dragging one of the nodes. So that's how we place elevations in a layout. So at times you can be required to put your schedules, like door schedules and window schedules, so you can see how many doors, the size of the door are there, and how many windows and the size of the windows which are there. So when you come back to project map, down here we have what we called schedules. We have what we call schedules. So we have the door schedule. So you simply click and hold on your mouse, and then you drag and come and place it there. So you can also create a door schedule showing all the doors, size of the doors which are going to be there. They also come as a view with additional information. You can see type of door, door number 2, 1, 2, size. If there's another door, you can place. You can also cut if maybe you don't need all this information. Now you can use, you can, maybe I need it up to there. No. No. So this is the information I need for the door. I can drag it and maybe place it down here. Yeah. So you can see this is my door schedule. So these are the type of doors, height, length, and the description of your door. Again, you can also come to project map and then do a window schedule. Just click, hold your mouse, drag. So when you place it there, we'll also have our window schedule. This is our window schedule. You can also click, and then maybe you don't want the images. You click and then adjust up to where for the required information which you want to place. So you can place your schedules like that. So having done that, an example, now we can do plotting and printing. So these are how we place schedules. So this is our layout. I've described by double clicking. So it allows me now to edit depending on the type of project that you are working on. So after placing them in the layout book, now you can simply come to file, then you click on print. So you can print. I hope all of us, those people who are watching, or the people who are listening, can know how to print in a paper. So that's our A2. So you can see, you can select the printer, you can pick a page setup, and then pick a printer. So you can do PDF, So I can pick maybe PDF. If your machine is connected to printer, you can simply come here and select the printer you want to print, and then you have your paper size, and then maybe it was landscape, then you click OK. So when you click OK, it comes here. So when you look at print range, we have pages 1 to 4. So that means it will be cutting, dividing this layout into 4. So when you click fit to page, it's only page 1. So this is how it's going to look like here. So when you click fit to page, so it will fit on that particular page, and we are converting into, you have a default printer, print to PDF. Then you click on print. So it's printing. So you can give it a name like proposed house plan. You can see in PDF, then you click save. So we can pick that as our default printer. So it's been printed like that. So we will saved it on the in documents. So when you open that particular folder, come to your documents, and then now we have our, not in that, we saved it here in document, and you can see we'll be having our proposed house plan. So it's in PDF. So you can convert your drawing into PDF, put it in your flash, then go print elsewhere where there is no Archicad, or for feature purposes or for future references, you can go to PDF. So when you double click to view, just open the PDF file. So you'll see here, this is our drawing, which has been converted into a PDF with all the information shown, the plan, the elevation, section, and the schedules, if there is. So that's how we do plotting and printing in Archicad. You can still come back to our project map. So you can have a view of your project, fully complete house with all the details shown here, and additional information shown when you're doing plotting and printing, placing our views, adding schedules, the number of doors, the number of windows. You can also do schedules for the walls, thickness, height, and the overall area of your walls. Thank you so much, viewers. I hope you enjoyed this program. So for any other work that you get, any plan or any house plan, be it residential, be it industrial, be it commercial, you can always use Archicad, and the procedures which I've shown you will apply to each and every plan that you get. Thank you so much, viewers, and happy to hear from you soon. Thank you.